The health department says that 5 new cases of the Omicron BA.2.12.1 subvariant has been detected in the country. To tell us more, we have JC Cosico joining us live from Pasig City. Hi JC, good afternoon. What is the status of these 5 initial cases?
Sean, these 5 new cases are now tagged as recovered after completing isolation and after being asymptomatic for COVID-19. Now, these 5 cases, 3 of which were returning overseas Filipinos from the U.S., while 2 were local cases. Now, to date, the Philippines has 22 Omicron BA.2.12.1 cases, 18 of which were locally acquired. 2 are from NCR, 12 from Puerto Princesa, 4 from Western Visayas, while there are 4 returning overseas Filipinos, which are all residing in Western Visayas. Sean.
Right, JC, while it's easier to keep track of the actual cases, do we have any updates or do we know more about the close contacts of these new cases? Because this is where cases can actually spiral.
Sean, as we speak, there are 7 close contacts of these 5 additional cases. Now, these 7 or 5 of these 7 close contacts were from the 3 returning overseas Filipinos, while the 2 local cases had 2 close contacts. Now, these close contacts have completed their isolation and are also tagged as recovered. Sean.
All right, and having said that, is the DOH finally considering this as community transmission or local transmission of the Omicron BA.2.12.1 subvariant?
Sean, it remains to be a wait and see as to the community transmission of this Omicron subvariant. But the health department earlier declared a local transmission of this Omicron subvariant. Now, experts earlier said that this may be one of the reasons why there is an uptick in COVID-19 cases. But despite that, the country remains under low risk for COVID-19, despite the uptick in cases in some regions. Sean.
All right, let's move on over to vaccination updates, JC. Have there been new or other vaccine brands that are being considered for children?
Sean, Moderna vaccine is now being considered for children aged 6 to 11 years old. But on May 20, the FDA granted an amendment to the Moderna to be used for the said age group. But according to the health department, it is still waiting recommendation from the World Health Organization and the Health Technology Assessment Council before the country begins its rollout for the said age group. Sean.
All right, so just to make it clear, JC, are there already any approved booster shots or brands for the pediatric population?
Sean, as we speak, COVID-19 booster shots remains to be for the adult population, as there has been no approved booster shots yet for the pediatric population. Now, with the transmission of the Omicron subvariant, experts earlier said it's high time for children to receive booster shots. Sean.
All right, one last question, JC. Just going back to the close contacts of these 5 cases, it's a little bit hard to believe that there's only 7 close contacts for 5 people. Are the health authorities doing or looking for more possible contacts of these cases?